All right, today I'm going to show you how I clean a Le Creuset pot right here. As you can see, it has been washed already in the dishwasher, but there are stains that are inside of the pot that couldn't come out with the dishwasher. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a little bit of baking soda inside of the pot. So I'm just going to put a little bit of baking soda in there, and then I'm going to also get some dish detergent. Right here I have Dawn dish detergent, where I'm just gonna put a little bit inside of it right there, just like half a pump. And then I'm going to take a pad. This right here is a non-metallic pad, and I'm just gonna wet it right here, get some water into it a little bit so it's nice and wet. And then I'm just gonna take it and I'm just gonna rub it inside of the pot in a circular motion, and I'm gonna go all on the bottom of the pot, as you can see right here. In a circular motion is important that you do it in a circular motion, that way you get all of the stain out. So not only am I going to get it from the bottom of the pot, but I'm also going to take the pad and I'm going to go on the sides just like this, and just a little circular motion going around just like that. Do you see that? As you can see, some of these stains are starting to come out. I'm just going to add a little bit more baking soda to the mix right here for a little bit more scrubbing power. And I'm just going to continue to scrub all around the pot. Now, you may need to do this for like about a minute or so in order to make sure that you get out all the stains. And as you can see right here, look at the bottom, you can already see some of the stains coming out right here. All right, and so once you scrubbed it, you're just going to take some water and you're going to rinse it out. Now watch when I rinse it out, you'll see the stains just disappear. And this is because I used the baking soda, the dish detergent, and the non-metallic pad, scouring pad. Now look at that, look at it. Look, there is no stain left inside of the pot. Now it's important for you to rinse out the pot completely, because you don't want baking soda to be in your next dish if you don't want baking soda to be in it. All right, so I just rinsed it out and look at it. There it is. It is a clean pot. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.